Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 29, subject getting a full list of model in Laravel 12. And this is a tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service, so please contact +919941599815, and this is a Indian number. Anytime contact 24/7. I am always available every day. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run. This is a localhost PHP myadmin, this database name, and this is a project. This project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor, and this project is available inside. This is a subject is available. This is a click this subject is not working. Let's step by step all implementation. First of all, this is a subject, is a table, is a field is available. Let's subject, this is a new table is a create. This is a table name is a subject. Let's click this new subject table. This is the same name is a spelling name is a subject. Same name, copy and paste here subject. First is a ID, means this is the same is a ID, this ID. Second is a name. Third is a description. This is the same name description. And this is a text is a select. This text, and this is a varchar. This 255, and this is a null, and this is a 11. And select this is the index inside this primary key, and automatically go button click this, and this is a auto increment, click this AI, select, and this created date, and one column is not available. This go button click this and update in one column. Successfully date and time is a select, date and time successfully create, and this is a null, and save button. Successfully this is a create, good working. The subject table is a create, and this is a show inside this subject. Successfully this is a blank table, not available any record. This is a working fine. Next is a inside this menu. This is a sidebar menu. Open this sidebar menu, resource, view, super admin inside this is available. This is a layout inside this is available. Sidebar inside this available teacher, and this is a subject is available. Layout inside this subject. Let's inside this new URL is a create, big font URL, this admin, and this is a subject and list, and this is a active class link is a copy. This is active class link, and inside this paste here, and the same name first name, this second name is available subject, successfully subject. This is a working fine. Let's refresh this page and click this subject. 100% is a working. This is good. Let's same name copy, route inside web.php, open inside this is a new create, route get, paste here, and this is a new subject controller class, and this is a index. Save file. This is the index function is a create this controller inside this same name copy, and use f http controller and remove, paste here. Successfully copy this name, and new controllers create f http controller, and this new file create php. Successfully create this file. This is a two done inside the same name copy and paste here, and this is a close, and the simple name is a copy subject and paste here, and this index function is a inside this index function is a create. This is a index function, all good. This is a not used, let's remove. This is a data is a not used, remove. This is a subject name is a copy and paste here subject, and this is a not used, and this subject inside this admin super admin inside this new file create subject file, new folder create, successfully create, and this is the index file is a create subject. Inside index blade.php successfully create, and hello save file is hello, and refresh this page, working fine. This is a good, successfully working good. This is a file is a working. Let's hello again, save file hello, and refresh this page, successfully working fine. And this is blank, and refresh this page, 100% is a blank, not a show. Let's next is a this is a use app model, and this is a subject model. The same name is a subject model is a create subject model. This is a close this, save file. Let's copy this model inside this new model create PSP, successfully create, and this is a same name, copy and paste here, and this is a close this. Request is a not use, and this is a name is a subject model, copy and paste your subject model inside. This is a name is a sense, this is a name is a subject model, successfully working fine. This is a model is a good working. Let's $data get record is equal to this is the same name, copy and paste here, get not a get record. This same name is a get record is equal to paste here, and this is a close. This same name $data pass here, $data pass, and this is a copy inside this new static public function cast here, and this is a return self get, return self get. This is a via model record, same name. Let's $data pass inside. This is a $data is a pass here, this is a $data, but inside this is a next is a teacher inside this index file is a control a, copy this, copy, and this is a remove get record and paste here. This is a blank, and this is a not use, this is a td is a not use, remove. This action is a not use. This is a name, and this is a description is available. This is a description, this description extra is a all, remove, save file, and remove this all. This is a subject, and this subject, but inside this is a not used. Let's comment and not a use. All successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and working fine. This is a no record found. This subject, let's click this teacher and click this subject ID, name, description, created date and updated. This is 1 2 3 4 and 5 record is a show. So this is a 5 record, 1 2 3 4 and 5, all good. This is a get record, same here, data pass here. Inside this step by step, this is a subject, please step by step pass here. This is all good, and this is a get record inside this pass and $value pass, and this is a forest is empty inside. This is a end. This is a get record inside this value pass in this ID, value pass name, description, and this value is a created date and value is a updated date. This is a all successfully set. Please write down step by step, all write down. And this record is not available, so this is a record not found. This record is not available, so record not found. Let's one record is the implementation, so 100% record is a show. Let's click this insert. First record is a create, name is a subject, name is a math subject, description is a all work math anytime, and this is a created date is a, this is a date is a select, and this updated date is a select, and go button, click this. 100% is a one record is a create. This is a one record is a create. Let's refresh this page. This is a one record is a show. Good working. Record is a not available, so this is a no record found is a show. this record is available to 100%. I1 is available to 1. Math is available, this description. Math and description. This is the date is available, this date, and this is the updated date. This is a different date is available. This 25 and 16 and 25. The second record is under is a new creating new, and this is a second record goose writing, and this is a good work test, and this is a created date. This is a today is a created date. Updated date is anytime is updated date, and click this working fine, and this 2 record is a create. This 2 recordings refresh this page successfully. 2 record is a create. All good, this subject list, and this video is available inside this getting a full list of model. Full list is a full list, and this is a via model. This is a via model is a get record. The step by step. First of all, this is a URL create. Inside this function is a create subject start. Subject start. This is a subject. Inside this is a model is a create subject model. Please write down this is a inside this model, and this is a step by step. This file is a write down. This is all good, and any doubt please contact this my number. Otherwise, this is a website is available. We are help to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram, and Skype. I'm always available. Any doubt please contact inside this available lost of project, and please buy. This is my channel. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This is a lost of video available. This is a play step by step. Watch this video first 2, 3 all lost of video. Thank you for